Well, here we go. Today is the day. We're putting the whole bank system on here. We're going to go with that cold air intake, the monster ram, and one of the cac tubes. We're going to be putting it on this here 22. She's already had a little bit of work done to her. She runs out pretty good right now, but we're going to wait and see how she does after we get done with all of this good stuff. So stay tuned. Be one long video by the time we get done, hopefully. Anyway, I want to thank you all for tuning in, and I can't wait to show you how good this thing runs afterwards. Well, we've got the passenger side, the hot side boost tube in. Goes in pretty good. I did not take the wheel and the wheel liner out to do it. I was able to get it all in straight from the top and the bottom for the clamps. Customer opted for natural color instead of the shiny red. All right, guys, here's what we're putting the monster ram on for, is to prevent this little bugger right here from falling off, going down into cylinder 6 and wiping out the whole entire engine. This one is in really good shape, but I also work on this truck quite often, so I know it very well. As you can see, the grid heater is not all clogged up. That's because we do maintenance on this truck. Most notably the induction injection flush. That cleans out the EGR side as well. So we're going to continue on with the installation. We just got everything down, so I'm going to clean up some surfaces and start installing the monster ram. Well, there she is. We've got monster ram. We've got the cold side, we've got the hot side, and we have the cold air intake. It's getting a little bit late tonight, so I'll test drive this thing in the morning, but I know this thing's gonna scream down the road, so can't wait to give you guys a final report on it, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Thank you very much.